My dear students of class 7, welcome to you all. Today we are going to start our lesson as previous day. Today we will try to focus on the use of articles. At first, we will try to know about the definition of articles. That means we will try to know what is an article. The words a and the are usually called articles. There are two types of articles. Definite articles, that means D. Indefinite articles, that means A and N. Now let us discuss about the use of articles A and N. Rule 1. A is used before word beginning with a consonant sound. On the other hand, N is used before a word beginning with a sound vowel. For example, a book, a student, and orange, and apple, etc. If we notice these words, we can see the word book B is used at the beginning. That means it is a consonant. So we have used A before the word. Student, in this word we also notice that S is placed at the beginning. So we use A. On the other hand, orange. In this word, O is used at the beginning. It is a vowel. So we have used and. My dear learners, I hope you have understood when any word begins with the letter consonant. At a time, we can use A, and when the word begins with the letter vowel, we can use N. Now rule number 2. If the word begins with the letter E and it sounds or pronounces like U, then A is used before the word. For example, U, a European. My dear learners, you can see E is a vowel. Why we have used A? We have used A due to its sound. Though E is a vowel, but we have used A before the word. It is due to its pronunciation or sounds. In this way, we have to use A when the first letter is E or vowel, but it pronounces U. At the time, we will have to use A. Rule number 3. If a word begins with letter O and it sounds like wa, Bengali pronunciation wa. If a word begins with the letter O and it sounds like wa, then A is used before it. For example, A1, taka, no. In this word, we can see O is used at the beginning, though it is a vowel, but before it we have used A. Why? Due to its sound. In this way, we have to place A according to sounds of the word. Rule 4. If the first letter of a word is H and it sounds like Bengali letter of or A, then N is used before it. On the other hand, if H sounds like Bengali letter H, N is used before it. So it also depends on its sound. For example, A house, a horse, an honest man, an hour. An hour. My dear learners, you can see we have used is at the beginning of these words, but sometimes we have used a, sometimes we have used and. Why? It is due to its sound or pronunciation. If we look at the board, we can see that a house, its sound is Bengali letter H. A horse, its sound is also H. On the other hand, and we have used and before the word. Why? Because its sound is used at the beginning, but it sounds like Bengali letter or a. So we have used and. In this way, we have to use a or an according to its sound. So I hope that you have understood this point. Rule 5. If the letter begins with the letter U and it sounds like a, then N is used before it. But U sounds like Bengali word U. A is used before it. For example, these two words we have used U, but its pronunciation is a bit different. Umbrella and unique. We have used U both of the words, but we have used and a. When we use U and it sounds just like Bengali letter A, at the time we will have to use and. When U sounds like U, we have to use A. In this way, we have to use a or and at the time of using articles. Rule 6. If any abbreviation sounds like vowel, N is used before it. For example, and MP and LLB. We can see we have used and both of the words. Though L and M is consonant, but it sounds like vowel A, so we have used N. MP, it's also an abbreviation. LLB, it's also an abbreviation. MP means a public representative who is elected by the board of the people of the country. LLB means Bachelor of Law, a person who studies on law. Rule 8. A or an is used before an unknown name or surname. For example, Mr. Rohit came to me and Iqbal came to collect news. We can use a or and in the case of unknown name or any surname. We can understand if we notice these examples. In the first sentence, we have used a, and the second sentence, we have used and. Both of them are unknown name or surname. In this case, we can use either a or and. My dear learners, I hope you have understood this point. Rule 9. A or an used to denote any profession, trade, class, etc. For example, we can use A or N in the case of any profession, trade, or class. In the example, we can see he means a person. He is a businessman. It is also a profession. Rohit is an engineer. It is also a profession. In this way, we can use A or and at the time of using articles. My dear learners, till today, you all know a pandemic is existing all over the world. Notwithstanding, we will have to carry on our studies because at the end of the year, we will have to sit for the examination. That means for the final examination. So you will have to make good result. You will have to make bright future. If you want to make any bright future, you will have to work very much for enlightening your life, for shining your life. No more today. Thank you.